Hey guys, Dino here. I just thought I'd show you some beers that I recently picked up from a brewery based in Wellington, New Zealand. So they're all from the ParrotDog brewery. So I've got three beers. The first one is Bitter Bitch, which is an IPA. The next one is Bloodhound, which is a red ale. And then lastly I've got Dead Canary, which is a pale ale. So I'll review all three of these beers, but today I thought I will start with the Dead Canary pale ale. So it says it's a refreshing, fruity, New Zealand hopped beer with English malt base and culminates in a smooth New Zealand hop bitterness. Doesn't actually say what the hops are in it. It's 5.3%, 330ml. So we'll crack it open. They don't look like they're bottle conditioned, but I could be wrong. Can't really see. Oh, there's a little bit of yeast in the bottom. Yeah, sorry, they probably are bottle conditioned. So I probably tipped a little bit of yeast in there, but beautiful colour. Nice orangey amber hue to it. Nice little head on the top. Some good carbonation. Yeah, getting some bit of malt off the top and some nice sort of citrus aroma. A little bit floral as well. But yeah, smells very nice. So yeah, sorry I can't tell you what hops are in it, but let's dig in. Very nice. It's got some real sharp bitterness up front, and once again I'm picking up some nice sort of marmalade slash citrus flavour there. For a pale ale, it's actually drinking a bit more like an IPA, to be honest. Quite bitter, plenty of hops there. 5.3. The guys that started ParrotDog actually started off as home brewers. I think they were flatting together, two guys, both called Matt. And the where they get the name ParrotDog from is they own a manic Indian redneck parrot, and they call themselves the dogs, Matt and Matt. The parrot's name is Shmee. So yeah, the ParrotDog's a combination of Shmee the parrot, and Matt, who they refer to as the dogs. So yeah, this is actually, is it my first ParrotDog beer? It could well be actually. Can't remember having it before. But you can definitely taste the hops in there. It's got that real sort of resinous, hoppy sort of bite to it. Beer's a bit murky as well. I don't know if that's down to the amount of hops in there, but yeah, all in all, a very, very nice pale ale. So that's the first beer in the series. I'll do the Bloodhound Red Ale and the Bitter Bitch IPA in the next few days or so. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope your week's going well, and hope you're looking forward to the weekend. I'll catch up with you next time. Cheers.